This is the easiest way you guys can claim free Solana if you guys trade meme coins. So what you want to do firstly is come over to the link in my description and I'll have a link to Sol Incinerator. Once you're in Sol Incinerator, what you simply want to do is hit connect wallet, hit Phantom or wherever you trade on. Choose the account that you trade with and you hit connect. Come over to rewards, you come down and where it says were you referred by a friend, use code BOOST boost. Now if you use this code you will get a boosted cashback, so every time you Sol Incinerate you'll get more Solana back. So you simply just hit submit, it gives you the sign in message and you hit confirm and it'll say referral code applied. And then you come back to the incinerator, you want to come over here where it says cleanup. And over here, it shows you your vacant accounts. Simply just hit marked for close, hit cleanup, hit confirm. It gives you the confirmed transaction and it shows you here. You get 0.01 Sol back and you hit confirm. Once you hit confirm, you can see over here, before my balance was 0.03. After I hit confirm, it was 0.04. And you can hit disconnect. And that's how easy it is. Please leave a like and subscribe.